the blood of my enemies. Hey guys, welcome back. This look is awesome. This look is fabulous and it's the best. If you are anti-Valentine's Day, and so if you ain't booed up this Valentine's Day, this is the look for you. If you want to see how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so for the eyebrows, I'm gonna do some like red in the eyebrows so it can look kind of cool. Okay, now I be looking like a freaking clown.
Bruh, look at this dude.
I'm gonna put some red eyeshadow over it. You can see like this eyebrow's thinner though, so since this eyebrow's thinner, it's gonna look more red. This one just looks goofy. So now I'm just gonna carve out my eyebrows so it doesn't look as goofy. Okay, now that my eyebrows are concealed and I look crazy still, I look so crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow and I'm just gonna do all black, like a black smoky eye. I'm gonna get my little brush and I'm gonna get my black color and I'm gonna put it all over my eye. That wasn't even black, that's like a dark purple. Talking about this black. We take that black, we're gonna put it all on the eyes. Okay, so now to blend it out, we're gonna get a blending brush, like a small blending brush. We're gonna take this red color and put it on the brush and then blend it out. And then we're gonna take a bigger blending brush like this one and I'm just gonna put black on it and blend it out again so they can like kind of mix. Okay, so that looks pretty decent. I'm gonna just take this flat brush right here and then pack the black onto my lid. Oh my god, it looks so evil. Oh, yep, when they fall out, don't rub your face like I did. Look at that. No bueno. Okay, so I wiped that off my face and I did the other side. So I'm gonna put concealer right here to make it look sharp like a winged liner. I'm gonna take some red eyeliner and put that on. I don't know how this is gonna look, but hopefully it comes out good. I'm just like thinking of this as I go.
Perfect.
Look at that. Looks pretty nice if you ask me. Okay, so for the inner corners, I'm gonna do a red, and then on top of that, I'm gonna do like a white highlighter. So hopefully it'll come out good. So I'm gonna just get some of this red and put it on the inner corners. Okay, so if that looks kind of shiny, that's because I already have like some highlighter on this brush. So, yep, that's why. But now I'm gonna take some white highlighter and then I'm gonna put that over it. So now I'm gonna put some lashes on. Can't really see them, but it's okay. Okay, now that everything's finished, hold up, I didn't even finish what I was gonna say. But anyways, here's me doing the rest of my face. Oh yeah, and by the way, I made this kind of like a bronzy kind of serum stuff. So yeah, that's what that is. Okay, so before I do my powder, I'm gonna put some black eyeshadow underneath my eyes. So, because the powder makes it like not as vibrant, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna put some under my eyes real quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then I'll finish the rest of my eyes again later. Now I just look like a cocaine addict, but that's okay. Now that I wiped all that powder off, I'm just gonna put some blush on. Okay, well, I found it. This is this looks scary, but I'll just put it on. This is a scandal. Why can't I find any of my brushes ever? I literally have them 1 second and then they're gone the next minute. Oh, found it. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some mascara on. Amazing. Look at that. Look at me. Whoa. I've never done such a cool look before. Like, this is like bad. Like, this is like bad. Like bad. Like, not like bad, but like bad. So now I'm gonna put some highlighter on my brow. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. Hold up. I'm gonna spray my face first. Get that Evian spray right there. I'm gonna spray it. Oh, that sounds so bad. I'm almost out. And then I'm gonna add me some highlighter on my eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some lipstick. You already know what color. Whoa, I don't think anybody would wear this like out unless it was like for a costume party. For like a party too, that's kind of cool, but nobody would wear this, I swear to God. But it looks really good. So I'm gonna just add like a little touch to it. I'm gonna add like a broken heart because like it's anti-Valentine's, you know? Sorry about that, my camera low-key died, but this is the final look. So if you wanna rep anti-Valentine's Day, then this is the look. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. like and subscribe if you want to see more crazy looks. And just comment down below if you booed up this Valentine's Day or you anti-Valentine's Day. Tell me that. Thanks for watching. Bye.